Happy Father's Day. Psalm 103 verses 13 to 14. A father shows kindness to his children, just as the Lord shows kindness to those who respect him. He knows how we were made. He remembers we are just dust. Welcome, everyone, to the Blessing Voices. Today is a very special day, Father's Day. We gather to celebrate and honors all fathers for their significant roles in our families and communities. Let's discover the deep joy and many blessings of fatherhood. Today, let's explore what the Bible teaches us and look at the lives of fathers who demonstrate these good qualities. Fathers are our first protectors, teachers, and guides. They teach us important lessons through their actions and their wisdom. Let's celebrate fatherhood as follows. First, the gift of guidance. Ephesians 6 verse 4 teaches us, "Fathers, do not provoke your children to anger. Rather, bring them up with the training and instruction of the Lord." Fathers shape who we are. They teach us right from wrong and demonstrate how to lead good lives by their own example. Abraham, known as the father of faith, guided his son Isaac through life and showed deep obedience to God, setting a lasting example of faith and trust. Second, the strength of support. Deuteronomy 1 verse 31 tells us, "In the desert you saw how the Lord your God carried you, as a father carries his son, all the way you traveled until you reached this place." Fathers provide more than just what we need. They give us emotional and spiritual support that helps us overcome life's challenges. Jairus, a synagogue leader, deeply cared for his daughter by seeking Jesus to heal her, demonstrating how fathers actively support and protect their children's well-being. Third, the blessing of legacy. Proverbs 13 verse 22 says, "A good person leaves an inheritance for their grandchildren, but a sinner's wealth is stored up for the righteous." Fathers offer more than money. They pass down valuable lessons, beliefs, and love, gifts that endure and hold greater value than material wealth. King David, despite his flaws, left a legacy of devotion to God. His teachings and psalms created a spiritual foundation that influenced not only Solomon but many generations to come. As we celebrate Father's Day, let's acknowledge and appreciate the significant impact fathers have on shaping our lives and society. To all fathers watching, thank you for your enduring love, dedication, and guidance. We hope you feel as loved and valued today as you make us feel every day. God bless you and happy Father's Day. Thank you for joining us today at the Blessing Voices. If you enjoyed our message, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring videos. Remember to take a moment today to express your gratitude to the fathers in your life, celebrating their vital role not just today but every day.